back to another recording, everybody. This one I'll be doing the horn upgrade for the CRV, the new one. And everybody knows it comes with a crappy horn. These are the new ones I'll be putting on. I got the splitter cable here. Got the high and low horn. Our numbers. These are the ones that comes on my car, the Accord. So you can pick these up from your local Honda dealer, or just type the numbers in online and you just purchase it from whoever you want to. Now let's go ahead and get these installed. So this is the EX version of the new CRV, and pretty much all the trims come with the same horn. So I'm gonna let you hear how it sounds versus how it is when I do the upgrade. Pretty crappy, right? I agree. Let's go ahead and get this done. Okay, so this one is the same as the other one I have, so I'm gonna keep this one. I wasn't sure that if they were the same. Hopefully they are. I checked the numbers on here. These numbers are the same. So I'm just gonna add this one because this one is different. So this is the low tone. So I'm gonna add this, plug it up, see how it sounds. So now you do a test fit, you have to undo this nut right here. Do a test fit. Just like that. And then you tighten it. Perfect. Next I'm gonna add my splitter wire. So plug this one. Plug this in here. That across, put this in. Right there. This is over here. Plug it in. Like that. Then mount this. That's it. Very easy. So test it out now. See how it sounds. And that's all you have to do, guys. Just add this one. I got the splitter from Amazon. I'll put all the links in the description. Like I said, I bought the 2 horns. You don't need both. You just need the low tone because it already comes with the high one. Yeah, so that's all you got to do. Now let's put this back together. We're all done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this one. Hope you like it. And I'll see you in the next one.